Hello friends, welcome to the session. Let's get started on our today's video. In my today's video, I'm going to explain you the benefits of the LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very popular platform. You can use it for different applications and different purposes. Okay. First main thing is by using LinkedIn profile, you will be having many opportunities or you will be having many options or choices to apply for the job you wanted. Okay, so LinkedIn is a platform where you can connect people globally and you can develop your network among different categories and different skill based and different industry professionals where they can share their experiences, skills, and their good capacities. Okay, so you can use LinkedIn if you are searching for a job or if you want to grow your professional network, and also if you want to connect the people globally, and if you want to search for the job particularly in some field. Okay, so first thing is you can see I have searched the benefits of LinkedIn in ChatGPT. It is also clearly mentioning that professional networking. So by using LinkedIn, you can connect different industrial professionals, and you can connect with your colleagues, mentors, and it also help you building relationship that can offer a job opportunities and collaborations. Job opportunities, many of the companies are posting the job in the LinkedIn, so you can directly apply the job by using your profile, and recruiters can also reach to you through LinkedIn, so you will be having direct access to contact recruiters also. And if you want to get some references, you can go and search your profile based people and ask them to refer in their organization. That can be also helpful to get the job in the field you're passionate about. And also personal branding, it can also help you to showcase your skills, experiences, certificates, and your achievements, your educational background. Finally, it acts as a digital resume that will be available to see for anyone 24 into 7 hours. Okay, so learning and development, LinkedIn also offers various courses to upgrade your skills. You can also follow industry leaders and useful posts they are and updates on the live updates you can see. Recruiters visibility, recruiters use LinkedIn to search potential job candidates, and well optimized profile increase the chances of getting noticed. Okay, so these are the benefits of LinkedIn, friends. Please use LinkedIn because it has many career growing opportunities, and you can apply job directly if some companies are posting. So now let's go and see how the job posting and how you can search your profile based job in LinkedIn. So just go and open LinkedIn if you have already profile. If you are searching for some designation, like if you are searching for job related web designing, so you just enter the prompt in the LinkedIn, web design jobs. If you enter here, it will show the list of the openings the company having. See here, so many companies are having the job which you are looking for. So you have to search in this way, and you can also see the posted date and the people who are working on that. So in this way you can search the job and apply here, directly go for apply, and here you can see the apply option. You can go and apply. It will take your profile automatically if you have updated your profile in the LinkedIn. Okay, so next is how you have to develop network. You have to search design engineer, example designer engineer in your company. In I will write here Mercedes Benz. So if you enter here, you will see lot of people who are working on Mercedes Benz. See here. So like this way, you can connect people and ask them reference if any openings are there. Ask them to refer for your profile. So like this way LinkedIn also helpful. So you can see here LinkedIn is posting job opportunities as well as the live updates and the updates regarding the company, everything. So LinkedIn is very beneficial if you are willing to start or if you are looking for job change. So you will be having another option in the LinkedIn to update your job status. Here you can go your profile if you are willing to start work. You have different frames, you can use these frames and get notified that whether you are hiring or open to work or you are willing to change the job. This also you can do. And you can, as much as your network grows, you will be having many updates and many job opportunities because your network will grow. And based on network postings will be notified on your profile. So friends, basically LinkedIn is very helpful if you want to start your career. Please stay connected with me and let me know in the comment section if you have any concern. Thank you.